You know, local SEO is vital to smaller businesses that run on a regional as opposed to a national level. Want to optimize your local SEO to get more traffic, leads, and conversions? Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. In this video, I'll talk about 5 simple ways to boost your local SEO. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Let's begin. This main objective here is to help you compete more powerfully against more prominent national brands that have massive resources to invest in. You have to focus on specific local SEO to-dos. You can nullify the advantage of more prominent brands that always optimize for broader keywords and depend on brand recognition instead of value propositions to bring in traffic. Are you aware that 35% of all search traffic is local, as estimated in a 2017 Review Tracker study? Without local SEO, there are many chances your business is losing out on a tremendous amount of traffic. Let's check out the top 5 ways you can make your local SEO success without further delay. First, make a Google My Business account. Optimize your Google listing, your business profile. One of the most productive ways to rank higher on Google Maps and gain visibility in Google search is local search results. To access your business profile, to make these optimizations, you need a Google My Business account linked with that profile. After giving all of the requested information in your Google My Business account dashboard, all data will be added to your business profile, which occurs in Google Search Local Results, the Google Search Knowledge Panel, and Google Maps as well. Number 2, try to get regular reviews from happy customers. Getting your customers to post good reviews for your business doesn't just optimize your Google My Business presence, it also inspires more local customers to buy from you. Bright Local's 2017 Local Consumer Review Survey tells us that 85% of customers believe online reviews as much as personal recommendations. You can go happily to the customer in person and ask for a review after the close of sale, or you can send an email or text after the sale asking customers to write a review. Optimize for voice search. Voice search is the future and it will multiply in the coming years. Therefore, in local SEO, it's vital to optimize how customers ask questions when they speak into devices instead of how they type out their searches. Fundamentally, your customers use more long-tail keywords when doing voice searches compared with regular examinations. Due to this, you'll also have to manage the SEO of your content to fit more the casual tone of someone speaking. It's also essential to understand user intent when optimizing for voice. Usually, these searches are carried out when the user needs a particular piece of information. If a customer uses voice search to ask what your business hours are, this information should be readily available. Number 4, develop content based on local news stories or events. Creating content that speaks or relates directly to a local issue is a moment of great feeling to grab your local customers' attention. Some strategies include publishing blogs, articles around local news stories, activities or events, developing short videos about local charities or causes that your business supports, putting up location-specific web pages on your website with high-quality local content if you serve different parts of a region. Number 5, use local keywords. Your keywords should be appropriate to local customers. It makes sense, doesn't it? Use Google's Keyword Planner and it lets you filter keyword searches based on location to know the popular search term for a given region. After this, you can create a list of locally appropriate keywords to target. Once you know them, they should appear in your site's meta content, copy, and URLs. Also, note region-specific landmarks and hotspots in your content. For example, if your local restaurant serves Pav Bhaji in Charni Road, include references to Pav Bhaji by Chowpatty or opposite Chowpatty on your site. If you found this video informative, please also go through a more comprehensive post on 10 simple ways to boost your local SEO now on papervideo.com. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the video and what topic you would like to see a video on next. Thank you for watching.